Welcome to Money Flow, where you can make money online. Hit the subscribe button for more methods about making passive money income. Now, let's get started. There's a type of videos on YouTube that are very famous and can make you as much as $1,000 or more per day from motivational videos like these.
Once you understand that and quit looking at your imagination as hocus pocus, it opens up a wide range of things and possibilities.
Even though these videos look like they take a lot of work, they're actually very easy to make and can make a lot of money. What's even better is that I found a way or a trick to get more people to watch these videos. Now, if we go to Social Blade and type in Ben Lionel Scott, we'll see that this guy's whole channel is full of motivational videos, and there are a lot of others like him. If we scroll down to the estimated earnings section, we can see that Social Blade thinks he's making a little bit more than $1,000 per day. I've said this before, and I'll say it again. These estimates tend to be much lower than what the channel is actually making. So this channel is likely making 2, 3, or even 4 times more than what these estimates claim. Social Blade says that this channel is making as much as $378,000 per year, but I can assure you that it's actually a lot more. So in today's video, I'll show you how to make these videos and tell you a secret way to get a lot more views. So first of all, what are these encouraging movies and how do you make them? Well, they're basically made up of 3 parts: the music, the video, and the actual motivation. We'll talk about each part and where you can find it, and we'll also build a motivational video from scratch. For example, if I go to this motivational channel, a lot of people will say that this channel can't be monetized because all of the videos use someone else's voice. Well, let's see what happens if I right-click anywhere on the page and then choose New Page Source. I know this looks very confusing, but just stick with me here. If I search for the word monetization, I can see that it brings me to this line of code that says, monetization enabled and the value of that is true, and so yes. This channel is monetized. Now, if the value was false, it would indicate that the channel is not monetized. We can perform the same test on dozens of other motivational channels and find that the vast majority are monetized. Yes, you can absolutely monetize these videos, but you'll need to watch this video carefully to learn how to do so effectively. Let's begin by discussing how to find the music for these videos, as music is arguably the most important aspect of motivational videos, as it drives the video and gives it emotion. Therefore, it will be essential that you locate high-quality audio that you can use without incurring copyright violation. And so, for example, if we're going to make a video about not giving up on your dreams, then the music has to be somewhat dramatic and epic. The website we're going to use to find the music to our videos is pexabay.com. On the homepage, click here. It will show you a multi-categories since we want the music category, so we'll choose it. Then type in motivational videos, and here you go. You have about 4,000 different motivational music that you may use. By the way, all of the links can be found in the description area down below. Check it out as well as a bonus link. Back on track. Let's talk about the motivating portion of the video and where you can locate the spoken words of these videos. The first thing you can do is go to other motivational films, such as this one, and look at the descriptions of most of these videos to see who are the speakers in the video. As you can see, T.D. Jakes, Les Brown, and Eric Thomas are featured in this video. What you might be able to accomplish from here: simply go to YouTube and type in, for example, Eric Thomas motivational speech, and you'll see a lot of different videos of Eric Thomas speeches. Once you've found a speech or a part of a speech that you like, you can simply go to a website like snapsave.io and paste the URL of the video that you want to save and then click on download. And from here, you'll receive an audio file of the speech that you can then use in your video. That's only one method. The second, and possibly safer method, is to use public domain audio from the Internet Archive. So if I go to archive.org and then click on audio and then click on all audio, I'll be brought to this page here. I could certainly search through all these different categories and try to find motivational speeches or audiobooks, but what I'll do instead is just search over here for motivational speech, and then I can just go through and start listening to some of the speeches to figure out what I like. And the third portion of the motivational movie is the actual footage. There are a lot of free stock footage sites out there, but for this example, I want to draw your attention to this website, pixels.com. If you go to Pixels and then click on videos, you'll obtain access to tens of thousands of free stock footage and animation. So, for example, If I type in working out, you can see that there are endless videos of people working out, and honestly, you shouldn't have to overthink what you're downloading here. Okay, as long as the footage is somewhat relevant to the spoken word that's being said, then you're golden, and so I'm just going to start downloading a few of these videos into my editing software, and I'm just going to start placing them on top of the music and the motivational video. Okay, so now we have our music, the motivating section, and the video. The only thing left to do at this point, which isn't even required, but I think will help make your videos more interesting, is to put text on top of the video and have it match what the speaker is saying, like,
"You have to fail in order to succeed. The darker the night, the brighter the morning. This too shall..."
Like I said, that's not a requirement, and you don't have to do it, but it's clearly helping. So after about 15 to 20 minutes of work, we ended up with this inspiring movie right here.
Going after it. The reason why I speak with so much passion. E.T., why do you speak with so much authority? Because I'm talking about my life, not something that I read. I ate out of...
That sounds great, but what if no one watches your videos? I've noticed that a lot of motivational videos don't get many views, and there's a reason for that. So I'm going to tell you a secret for getting a lot more people to watch your motivational videos. The title and image are two of the most important parts of getting people to watch your YouTube videos. No matter how good your video is, it won't get any views if the title and thumbnail aren't good. For these inspiring videos in particular, I think I found a proven method that will get you a lot more views. Now, if I were to show you these recent videos from a popular motivational channel, you'll see that the views are poor on average. But if I show you these more recent videos from another popular motivational channel, you'll see that these videos are getting significantly more views. Why? First of all, the thumbnails are bad. They use too many words in the thumb. However, if we look at this other channel, which is actually getting pretty good views, the thumbnails tell a different story and use very few words. The pictures are full of emotion and action and show people's faces up close, and something is definitely connecting with the audience. But the real question is, how do you do this? The answer is that you have to understand why people click on your videos in the first place. People click on your videos because the title and thumbnail made them feel something, and that's the secret. If you want more views on your motivational videos, you have to learn how to make people feel something with the title and thumbnail. For example, if you look at this channel, all of the pictures have a lot of contrast. The backgrounds are usually pretty dark, while the person's face in the foreground is usually much brighter and has a lot of contrast. This gives the picture a much more dramatic feel, which will help the thumbnail stand out and get more clicks. I'll show you how to get this look in a second. But first, here's another channel where most of the thumbnails don't have any contrast at all. This girl is lying in bed, wearing a white shirt on top of white sheets against a white wall, with a white lamp taking up most of the right side of the thumbnail. There's almost no contrast in this image. Or how about this image here, right? She's sitting and looking up at the mountains. The mountains are brown and earthy, and the sweater she's wearing is green. She pretty much fits right into the picture because there is no difference. So, with that out of the way, let me demonstrate how to create a compelling image that people will want to click on. Now, let's go to Canva to do the exact same thing, which is completely free, and so for this example, I'm going to use Canva. After you've created your free Canva account, you'll simply click up here on Templates, click on Social Media, then find the template that says YouTube thumbnails and so on. By the way, you can do all of this on your phone by using the Canva app. I'll then go to this free website called unsplash.com and basically just want to find an image of a person who is showing a lot of emotion, so I'll just type in frustration in the search bar. The first image that pops up is likely what caught your attention as well. It is this one right here. I'll download this image, return to Canva, click on Uploads, and then drag the image into my upload. I'll then drag the image onto the canvas and simply make it cover the entire canvas while zooming in on the face as closely as I can. Conveniently, this image is already quite contrasty, but we're going to make it even more so. To do this, I'll click up here on Edit Image. And Canva actually has this new feature here called Auto Enhance that I actually think does a really good job of making the image look a lot better. So if I click on that and then click on Use, and just let it work for a second, I'm just going to boost the intensity to 100. And if I click the before and after, you'll see that it does a really good job of making the colors just look more balanced and natural. And I think it looks a lot better. I'll click Apply and then simply place some large text on the side here after that. This motivational video is about not giving up on your dreams. So I'll add text that says, "Never quit, and adjust it to stand out as much as possible. Then, I'll go over here to the search and type in gradient and apply a gradient to this image. Make the gradient black so that the text will be much easier to read. I'll just adjust the background image and move the text. So to make a motivational video, first of all, go Tixabay and get the music audio you like. Secondly, head to YouTube and choose a speech and download its audio. Thirdly, open Pexels to get some related videos for your motivational video. And lastly, apply the subtitles. And surely you will find all the links in the descriptions down below with a bonus link. Please subscribe to Money Flow and hit the like button for more online money-making videos. Check out the last video where you can make money online by making YouTube shorts. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.